I think today we've accomplished one thing, and that is to set the agenda for this alliance to move forward. And they're moving forward is a popular thing for us to be doing these days. It's by bringing these different agencies together. And there are a number of people here who represent some of the major bodies already involved, already struggling, already achieving in design. And that's a big step forward. The real thinking is going to be, can we actually achieve something? Can we have outcomes from this? And those outcomes should be that they're taken to higher levels of funding, of support, of management, either with local councils, industries, or big government.
I have been incredibly impressed by the quality of some of the ideas. There's a mixture of small, practical projects you can get to work on straight away, and then some really challenging ones about what is government going to do that can encourage design thinking into business. And a bit of a challenge to some of Australia's big businesses. We know designers tend to be in small businesses, consultancies, but we heard some really great examples of how big business too can use design skills to think through and change what they're doing. I mean, I mentioned in my bit about there's a move to make design thinking part of the MBA, so put design into business faculties. That's a sort of project that can take some time to make happen, but should lead to change in Australia.
Well, I think it's drawn the various arms of people who have a passion for design together to recognise that it needs strong government policy from the top in order to actually make design feed through the society. And our answers to climate change and our answers to sustainability do come through design. And that's why government needs to be involved in supporting appropriate design to reach the goals that we need to reach to be sustainable.
Well, I actually think today's been a really momentous occasion, an important and critical milestone for the national design community. I think it's terrific that everybody's finally been able to actually get together and have a conversation and set some priorities about moving forward. I also think that we need to have a common voice when it comes to design in Australia, and if we can lobby government at the highest possible level through the Australian Design Alliance, that would be terrific.